안녕하세요. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to express numbers in Korean. Korean has two number systems. One is Sino Korean number system. The other system is Native Korean numbers. Sino Korean numbers are used to express specific points, whereas Native Korean numbers are used for counting or to express amount or sum. If the number is 100 or higher, you need to use Sino-Korean even for counting. Let's do some examples. Telephone number. Should you use Sino-Korean numbers or Native Korean numbers? Telephone number is a one specific number. Therefore, you need to use Sino-Korean numbers. What about birthday? Birthday is one day out of 365 days, right? So it's a one specific day. Therefore, you need to use Sino-Korean. What about 2 pages? So here, I'm referring things in total amount, right? 2 pages, right? There's a plural marker, 2 pages. Therefore, you need to use Native Korean numbers. How about page 2? Page 2 is a one page, which is a second page, right? So that's one specific page. Therefore, you need to use Sino-Korean numbers. Now we know when to use Sino-Korean numbers and when to use Native Korean numbers. We can move on to actually learn how to express numbers. 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to say 11, you just need to say 10 and 1. So 11. So there is a 110. So you might feel like, oh, I need to say 11, right? There's 110 and 1. But don't do that. You just need to say 11. If you want to say 21, that's when you can say 21. Again, when you want to say 11, you just need to say the digit. Okay, 10, 1. But if you want to say 21, 2 tens, so you need to say 21. 100 is 100. 100. And 0 is 0 or 0. If you want to find out more numbers, you can refer to page 121 for 3rd edition of Clear Textbook. Try to say this number. That is 585 585 2846 1235 585 2846 1235. November 30th. 월 is like a month. 일 is a counter for day. Okay, so how would you say November 30th in Korean? It's a 10-1, so you need to say 11월. 11월. 11. 11월 30. So that's 310. So 30. So 11월 30일. As mentioned before, you don't need to say 10일. Don't say that. Page 135. How do you say 100 in Korean? 100. Okay, 30. 30. 5. 5. Now, we are going to watch people playing a number game called 369, which means 369. Watch the clip and try to figure out why the game is called 369.
So should we start? Should we 해볼까? Let's
Okay.
practice first.
Okay, practice round.
So there's one behind the camera. Let's say, yeah, you are the fourth player. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start with Leah.
Okay. 1.
Oh, before we start, we actually have to say 369, 369, 369, 369, 1. That's the way to do it.
Okay.
369, 369, 369. Ready, set. 369, 369, 369, 369.
1.
2,
4,
5.
7,
8,
10,
11.
12,
13.
Oh!
What?
13. 13, you have a 3 inside, so 13 you're supposed to clap.
I was thinking. Okay, so.
Whenever there's, it's not the multiples
Oh,
of
okay.
3,
That's
6, and
what
9, but it's whenever, whatever you say out has a 3 or 6 or 9, then you have to clap. And if there are 2 digits and they're both 36, then you have to clap twice. Okay. I'll start it, and this way. 1, 2, 3, go. 369, 369, 369, 369, 1.
2, 3.
It's sa.
Sa.
So if you, it's faster.
Did you figure out why it's called 369? If the number contains 3, 6, or 9, you need to clap. It's not multiple of 3. So you don't clap at 12 because number 12 does not contain 3, 6, or 9. If you have time, watch this video. It's funny. He will tell you how to say famous 5 in Korean. Okay, that's it for this video. 수고했어요. 예, 다음 시간에 봐요.